Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by seating yourself close enough to the plate so your forearms rest lightly. This gives stability. Once seated, pick up the fork in your non-dominant hand with tines angled down and the knife in your dominant hand with a firm but relaxed grip. You do this because a controlled base prevents slips and improves precision. Make sure your wrist is low and your elbow anchored. As you move to cut, use small sawing motions rather than hacking, and keep the knife tip on the plate. Once you have the fork bracing the food, slice with the knife using short, controlled strokes. The tip should stay in contact with the plate to steady the blade. You cut each piece to a single bite size so you can eat without overloading the fork. This keeps pace and avoids spills. After cutting, use the fork to lift the piece, and if you prefer, rotate it for easier eating. Remember why this works. Stability plus incremental cutting reduces accidents and keeps tech. To finish, bring the fork to your mouth with a smooth, controlled motion. This minimizes drips and keeps posture calm. If you pause, rest the knife diagonally on the plate and lay the fork with tines down, which signals a break when dining with others. When you're done, position knife and fork together at the 4 o'clock position to indicate completion. If food slips while cutting, stop and recut at a better angle. If the fork bends, slow your force and reposition to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.